welcome back to my channel. So, how have you all been doing? I went on a 5-month hiatus out of nowhere. I really thought I was going to start filming again, but look what I did. I was just lazy. I'm not going to make any excuses. I was just straight up lazy and I didn't film. And also then 10th grade started, school started overpowering me, and I was never really able to film. But I guess I'm back and we'll see how long this lasts. But if you all didn't see my last video, I got a new phone about 6 months ago. I've been using this phone for 6 months, and like what's on my iPhone was the most requested video, so I thought I would like make a comeback with this video. So here it is. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. This is my phone, my baby, but this is my phone. I upgraded from an iPhone 7 Plus to an iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is in the color graphite, if I'm not wrong. I'm not really sure. And here we are. So this is my lock screen. If you all didn't know, I got a dog. His name is Sugar. He's 4 months old and he's a Labrador. So I think he'll make a special appearance in this video, like by the end of it, because he's very restless. He can't leave me alone. But this is him. He's such a cutie. When you open my phone, this is the first page. So my phone was heavily inspired by Olivia Summerson and Zoya Bass. On the top we have a widget of Buttercup from Powerpuff Girls, and this widget just shows you the time, the day, the date and the battery. Since my phone doesn't show the battery percentage on top, this widget really helps me out. Then on the side I have two widgets, two small widgets. One says I swear she's an angel, and the bottom one is like the hands touching. Okay, so each and every one of these app icons I made myself, so that took me a long time. So I have SoundCloud. The first app that I have is SoundCloud. I use this because I realized that SoundCloud doesn't have like ads in between like Spotify, so I started using it. Then I have Twitter. If you don't know my Twitter handle, I'll just give you all that. This is my Twitter handle. Yeah. Then I have Webtoon. I became a really huge fan of Webtoon recently. My first ever Webtoon was I think Freaking Romance, and the one that I'm reading currently is Phase and the Remarried Empress, and I think the Remarried Empress is going to be my favorite. I'm also reading our Omega leader Nim. Yeah, but the author doesn't really update as often, so it's really sad. Next I have Netflix. Currently I'm watching Vincenzo. Then I have Pinterest. This is my Pinterest. Then I have Snapchat. Okay, Snapchat, I became so active on Snapchat for my friends though. I don't really post stories, but my streaks are going on all day. This is my Snapchat. Yeah, that's it. Then I have WhatsApp. I am really active on WhatsApp as well, but I can't really give it out to you guys. I wish I could. Then I have YouTube. Finally, I have Joey for YouTube. Then on the bottom bar I have phone, photos, camera, and then finally Spotify. Okay, and Hypen is opened because their new album Border Carnival just came out, and I'm like so happy. The song was so good. So this is my profile. You can follow me if you want to. I have a ton of playlists waiting like for people to hear. Then this is the first page finished. So on the top I have a chair. I think it's a train. I don't really know. But I have Flow. Flow is a period tracking app, if you all didn't know. It's really good because I always tend to forget my dates. This doesn't let me. Yeah, that's just Flow. Then I have messages, mail, app store, Safari, clock, settings and notes. Then on the third page, I really wanted to add my own pictures. And so I have folders on this page, only folders. So on top I have Apple, a full folder of Apple, of all the apps. You can delete, but I never really delete it because I'm too lazy. Then I have utilities. Again, some apps from Apple only, but these apps are like more useful, like calculator and voice memos are more useful than the other ones. Then I have a folder called Google. I have Google Drive, Mail, Google Maps, Google Photos. Then I have Google Keyboard. If you all don't know what this app is, I don't use this at the moment because my hands are very much used to the Apple keyboard, but it's such a nice app. This particular keyboard appears instead of your Apple keyboard if you give full access to this particular keyboard. Yeah, that's it. Then I have Google Chrome and Truecaller. Then I have a folder called Random. In this I have Marshall Voice, which connects to your Marshall speaker. Wink Music, I don't know, I think I downloaded it to download a song, like an MP3 download, but it didn't work. Something like that happened. MyGeo, Telegram. Then I have Shazam. Shazam is also another really good app. So what this does, like if a song is playing next to you, you just click on it and you click on the little like Shazam thingy, like the S, and it will recognize the song, like it will hear the song and then it will tell you what song it is. And I also have it in my control center. Then I have Stickerly. This is where I got all my stickers from. A ton of people ask me, just add some keywords in here. Then I have Arogya Setu. Then I have a little folder called Games, and I have these games. Out of these, I don't play any now, but I used to play Among Us a ton and Happy Hop 2. Those two are really, really good apps, but I don't really play any games now. Then I have a folder called Shop. In this, I have a ton of shopping apps. For example, okay, so I'll just give you a quick rundown. I have Amazon, Domino's, Tata Click Luxury, Myntra, Nykaa, Weavers Shop, H&M, Zara, Mango, KFC India, and Zomato. So out of all these apps, my favorite has to be H&M and Zara. Then I have a folder called Edit. Since you all know, if you watch my channel, I edit on my phone. So I like to have all the editing apps on here. Yeah. But the major ones that I use are Vita, Fonto, PicMonkey, and iMovie. Yeah, that's it. Those are like my major apps. Then I have a folder called Fun. If you go into it, we have Hotstar. Hotstar I downloaded to watch Coffee with Karan. Then I have Prime Video, MX Player. Then I have Line TV. I watched Than Type on Line TV. I cried in the end because they didn't let me watch the wedding. But I guess it's okay. Daily Motion. Then I have Wattpad. Has Wattpad. Crunchyroll. I don't really use Crunchyroll because like I realized you had to pay a certain amount to watch anything actually. Then I have a folder called School because our school is online now. Hurts my soul, but we've got to get through it. I have Adobe Scan. It really is like an awesome app if you have to like scan PDFs and stuff. Brainly helps with your homework. Like enter any question and it will answer before your teacher does. So I guess it helps you. You know, don't cheat with it though. Don't cheat with it. If you can't like get an answer, then you can maybe like look for it, but don't cheat with this app. It will be of no use. Focus Tomato, again, a really cool app if you want to for the Pomodoro technique. It's a really cute app. Then I have Grammarly. Grammarly I downloaded for its like a keyboard because when I'm typing, usually since school is online, I have to send messages to teachers, and of course I don't want my messages to be like, I don't want my English to be wrong in those messages. So Grammarly really helps me replace those strong words with nicer ones. And then I have Planty, again another app, like a Pomodoro technique app again. Then I have Tide. So Tide is an app in which you can like play sounds. It plays a ton of sounds for you to focus. Never really used it because instead of helping me to focus, it like just distracted me. Then I have Google Classroom because my teachers like accept homeworks on here only. Then I have Google Meet. For some reason, I think I accidentally uninstalled Zoom on my phone, but I guess it's okay. Then finally, I have a folder called K-Wave. If you didn't know, I got into K-pop recently not only K-pop, but I got into the whole Korean culture, and it's really nice. It plays, you can really express yourself, people don't judge you for anything, and I really love it. So I created a folder for it. I have Weavers. Here I follow all my favorite bands. I only follow BTS. I only follow BTS. I'm a huge ARMY, if you all didn't know. Then I have VLive. VLive is again another app where your K-pop idols go live. On here, okay, I'll tell you like all the fandoms I belong to. Yeah, Stray Kids, I'm a Stay, Engine, I think that's how you say that, Engine, yeah. Tomorrow by Together, Moa, I'm a Blink, Shiny, Shawol, I really don't know how to say these names. And then finally BTS, I'm an ARMY. And then I follow Lee Dong-wook, yeah, Lee Dong-wook, and Lee Jong-suk. Lee Jong-suk is my favorite, like favorite actor. And then I have Universe. I only follow Astro on there, even though I'm not like really into the fandom. I'm not a stan, but I do really like Chaunwoo. I'm okay. I'm gonna stop trying to pronounce these things. I really like Chaunwoo from True Beauty. Yeah. Then I have Soompi. Then finally, I have Rakut and Vicky. On here, you can watch all the K-dramas which Netflix makes you pay for, like all of them, and even like some others. Like I watched True Beauty on here, but you have to pay for it, so that's sad. But My Love from the Star, Color Rush, Bride of the Water God, You Make Me Dance, Graceful Family, Tale of the Nine Tail, Lieutenant Luna. These are free for you. Okay, I guess that was it. Oh my god, that took me forever, didn't it? So guys, that's it for today's video. I'm hoping you all enjoyed it, and I also really hope that I'll be able to post more later. Really hoping so. So yeah, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye!